Hey y'all, we got an eBay order today. This is going out to a Jason B in Muncie, Indiana. It is a Holley Performance carburetor kit, part number 371544. Got your base plate gasket on the back side of it. We do appreciate your order. Get this mailed out to you. There's a sticker to our main channel, Dixie Customs. If you would, check it out, like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend. We'd appreciate that. Helps the channel grow. You purchasing this help the channel out. So we thank you there. So we'll get this mailed off to you so you can get your vehicle back in the road. Because the weather is getting decent enough to have some car shows. Lights just flickered, sorry about that. Alright, Miss Jason, we got it in the mail for you. It should be arriving to you. We appreciate your order. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.